Harvard study confirms a technique used 2,500 years ago increases your lifespan by Ivan on Ancient Code. Scientists are from the Harvard University, and they've just indirectly confirmed that an ancient technique used more than 2,500 years ago by the ancient priests of Egypt, are known to increase your lifespan. Historic references say that more than 2,500 years ago, intermittent starvation, quote unquote, it was used in Egypt, India, and Greece to strengthen the body and increase lifespan. Numerous written sources of different civilizations around the world, regardless of religion or territory, mention fasting and its numerous benefits. A study from Harvard University shows that intermittent fasting and manipulating mitochondrial networks can increase lifespan. Quote, although previous work has shown how intermittent fasting can slow aging, we are only beginning to understand the underlying biology, they say. As noted by researchers, a study has shown that by manipulating mitochondrial networks inside the cells, either by dietary restriction or by genetic manipulation that mimics this, may increase lifespan and help promote health. Well, we know that when you're fasting, eating simpler foods, cutting out dairy and meat, for example, your health feels better, you feel more springy, you lose a little bit of weight, you feel lighter. And you're probably eating much healthier food like vegetables and fruits, fish, and things like that. A group of researchers from the prestigious University of Harvard published their article in the journal Cell Metabolism, which details advances made in the research of mitochondrial connections and explains how intermittent fasting is crucial to increase lifespan. According to their reports, scientists managed to stop in a class of earthworm cells, C. elegans, the aging of the mitochondria, the cellular organelles responsible for providing the energy for cellular activity, subjecting the animals to periodic fasts. This markedly prolonged the earthworm's short life expectancy, which is ordinarily about 2 weeks. According to the researchers, dietary restriction and intermittent fasting have shown in the past to be able to help health during the years of old age, so understanding why this phenomenon occurs is a crucial step towards therapeutic use of its benefits. Quote, our work shows how crucial this is to the plasticity of mitochondria for the benefits of fasting, end quote. They explained by emphasizing that it's necessary to investigate more deeply this complex biological process to reach definitive conclusions. Why does this happen? Quote, low energy conditions such as dietary restriction and intermittent fasting have previously been shown to promote healthy aging. Understanding why this is the case is a crucial step towards being able to harness the benefits therapeutically, end quote, said Heather Weyer. She's the lead author of the study, who conducted the research while at Harvard Chan School and is now a research associate at Astex Pharmaceuticals. She says, quote, our findings open up new avenues in the search of therapeutic strategies that will reduce our likelihood of developing age-related diseases as we get older. Although previous work has shown how intermittent fasting can slow aging, we're only now beginning to understand the underlying biology, end quote, said William Meyer. He's the Associate Professor of Genetics and Complex Diseases at Harvard Chan School, and he's also the senior author of the study. He says, quote, our work shows how crucial the plasticity of mitochondria networks is for the benefits of fasting. If we lock mitochondria in one state, we completely block the effects of fasting or dietary restriction on longevity. The source of this article is in Pursuit of Healthy Aging, and it's on Ancient Code. So, it's nice to fast. We can do that, for example, as we as Christians do it every Wednesday and Friday, not because we're obliged to, but we want to give something of an ascetic practice to our Lord Jesus Christ. It's for our purification. It strengthens us to be able to say no to temptation, but also Christ takes it, he uses it, he receives it to fix things that are going wrong in the world and even the universe. This article is by Ivan on Ancient Code.